Hi, future advanced biology class. We're here to give you some tips
and tell you about the different parts of the class. So one thing you're probably worried about are quizzes and tests. They're not only a very important part of the grade, but they're also essential for helping you master the information. Before each test, there are going to be a number of quizzes during the unit to help you assess how well you're learning everything. Tests are a simulation of the AP test, with one portion of multiple choice and one portion of short answer / long answer. If you don't do too well on the test, don't worry. You can get points back, half credit, on the multiple choice section after each test, but make sure to prepare as well as possible. Resources will be available to you to help you learn and master the material before each test so you can get a good grade.
Another important part of the year is labs. Labs help you understand the material very well, so it's important to try your best on them. There are many different types of labs that you'll be doing. You'll be working with animals such as brine shrimp, fruit flies, zoo animals, and all the animals around you in the room. There are many different types of labs that you may do that might use biochemicals, computer programs, and more. There are different types of lab reports as well. You might turn in your lab as an individual formal lab report, a group formal lab report, or a casual submission of analysis questions. Labs are very important that you try your best on them so that you understand the material well. They'll help you on your test.
The next aspect of the class we're going to talk about is classwork. Classwork here includes projects, POGLs, and board work. First thing is board work. Board work is when you display different aspects of the information in the class to your classmates to help improve each other's understanding and ability to learn. Next, POGLs are simply practice problems that you'll do either at home or in class, and you'll discuss them in class. Practice is very important if you want to do well in the class and on the test, and it's going to help you get a better grade, and it's going to help you master the knowledge more. Finally, projects. Some projects that we did this year include case studies, presentations on nutrient deficiencies, an analysis of your nutrients from your IHOP meal, and a lot more. Projects are really fun to help, and they also help you understand the material a lot better.
But don't forget your homework. Over the course of this year, there will be two significant types of homework that you will be doing. The first are guided readings, and the second are video assignments. Guided readings consist of reading a chapter of your biology textbook and then answering corresponding questions. And the video assignments, you'll watch a video from Bozeman Science and answer questions about your learning. You should watch these not only because he's a great guy, but he'll greatly help your understanding. And now, our favorite part of the class.
Field trips.
Over the course of this year, we went on many different field trips, like to restaurants, like Bojangles and IHOP. We also went to the zoo and Duke University Marine Lab.
At restaurants like IHOP and Bojangles, you can do things like analyzing the nutrients that you ate, or you just go there for fun.
At the zoo, we studied animal behavior.
And our favorite trip was the one to Science Island.
What is Science Island?
It's a great trip to a marine lab set up by Duke University where you can study sea life and all different processes of life.
Here's some stuff to show you what Science Island is like.
We're taking a boat to Science Island. Science Island? More like travel to the aquarium and swim to the sea turtle.
Whoa! I got wet.
Science Island?
Did you know nearly 95% of fish depend on salt marshes?
Science Island fact, alligators can run up to 35 miles per hour.
Science Island, more like Windy Island. Oh wow, smooth.
Well, that's it, and I hope that helps.